Our smartphones are our lifelines, and a dead battery can be a major productivity killer. We rely on them to stay connected with friends and family, get work done on the go, and capture life's precious moments. But let's be honest, battery life can be a real concern, and it's frustrating when our devices can't keep up with our busy lives. We've all been there. You're in the middle of something important, and suddenly your phone's battery percentage starts plummeting. You start frantically closing apps, turning off Bluetooth, and praying that you can make it to your next charger. But what if I told you there are ways to break free from this constant battery anxiety? One of the biggest culprits of battery drain is excessive app usage. We've all got our favorite social media apps, email clients, and games, but did you know that some of these apps are secretly draining your battery in the background? It's like having a hidden vampire sucking the life out of your phone. And it's not just the apps. Poor settings can also silently drain your battery, leaving you stranded when you need your phone the most. Another major contributor to battery drain is push notifications. Those constant buzzes and beeps might seem harmless, but they're actually waking up your phone's processor and screen, eating away at your precious battery life. And let's not forget about location services. Many apps are using your phone's GPS to track your every move, which can be a huge battery killer. So what can you do to combat these battery-sucking monsters? First, take a closer look at your app usage. Identify the apps that are using the most battery power and consider uninstalling or limiting their use. Next, adjust your phone's settings to optimize battery life. Turn down the screen brightness, switch to dark mode, and limit your phone's performance to conserve energy. One of the most effective ways to boost your battery life is to utilize battery-saving modes. Most smartphones come with built-in power-saving features that can limit battery drain. Enable these modes to restrict background data usage, reduce performance, and turn off unnecessary features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can also customize these modes to fit your specific needs and habits. But here's the thing. Most people don't take advantage of these built-in features. They're often hidden deep within your phone's settings, and it's easy to overlook them. That's why we're gonna share with you the most effective tip that can lead to the biggest improvement in battery life, and it's ridiculously simple. Are you ready for it? Turn off your phone's location services for apps that don't need them. It's a game changer. By turning off location services for unnecessary apps, you can conserve a significant amount of battery life. It's like giving your phone a breath of fresh air, allowing it to focus on the things that matter most. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to do. Just head to your phone settings, find the Location Services tab, and toggle off the apps that don't need access to your location. Boom! So to recap, the key to boosting your smartphone's battery life is to adjust your settings, manage your apps, and utilize battery-saving modes. By implementing these simple strategies, you can significantly extend your battery life and reduce anxiety. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you picked up some valuable tips to boost your smartphone's battery life. If you've got your own battery-saving hacks, share them with us in the comments below. And if you want more smartphone hacks and tips, be sure to check out our other videos.